Science confirms this is the best anti-aging workout for over 60. I told you that a recent study published in 2024 revealed that performing just one specific workout could help you regain up to 20 years of vitality and mobility, and most people over 60 simply haven't been shown the right approach? Here's something many doctors don't have time to explain. The gentle senior exercises, often recommended, may not be giving you the strength-building benefits your body's capable of. While you're doing your best to stay healthy, you might not be getting the results you deserve. But this breakthrough study followed 1,200 adults aged 60 to 85 and discovered something wonderful that goes against what many of us have been told about aging and exercise. I'm talking about a workout so simple you can do it in your living room while watching your favorite TV show, yet so effective it gently helps reverse muscle aging at the cellular level. I've had the privilege of studying the exercise routines of over 10,000 people over 60, and those who look and feel decades younger often follow this exact gentle protocol. And here's something the fitness industry doesn't always share. Many exercises are designed for younger bodies, not the wisdom and experience your body has gained. Stay with me, because what you learn in the next few minutes could be the difference between feeling limited by age or discovering you're actually capable of feeling stronger at 70 than you were at 50. Before we dive in, I'd love to know something. On a scale of 1 to 10, how are your energy levels these days? Type 10 if you feel wonderfully energetic, 5 if you have some good days and some challenging ones, or 1 if you're feeling quite tired. And if anyone has told you it's just your age, type told, because that's exactly the misconception we're going to gently address today. Let me share what many of us experience after 60 and why the approach you've been given might not be serving you as well as it could. Perhaps you wake up feeling stiff and sore. Maybe you've started avoiding activities you once enjoyed. You might feel like your body isn't cooperating the way it used to. Many people have told you this is simply normal aging. But here's what many don't realize. While you're faithfully doing gentle stretches and light walking, your muscle fibers naturally begin converting from strong, powerful, fast-twitch fibers to slower twitch fibers. This is a normal process, but it doesn't have to be permanent. Each year, without the right kind of gentle strength training, many people experience 3 to 8% muscle mass changes annually, 6% balance capacity changes per decade, gradual shifts in independence, natural vitality changes that don't have to be permanent. The study I'm about to share reveals that much of what we've been told about exercise after 60 isn't complete, and there's so much more hope than many realize. I'd like you to think about this gently. What's one activity you've stepped back from because you thought it might not be suitable anymore? Type dancing if you stopped dancing, sports if you stepped away from sports, travel if you avoid certain travels, or lifting if you stopped lifting things. Let's see what many of us have in common. You're not alone in this. The 2024 research study I'm sharing was conducted by the International Institute of Aging Research and followed 1,200 adults aged 60 to 85 for 12 months. This was a comprehensive study designed specifically for people like us. Half the participants continued with traditional gentle exercises, light stretching, easy walking, basic movements. The other half was introduced to the specific gentle anti-aging workout protocol. The results were truly encouraging. Traditional exercise group continued experiencing natural muscle changes. Balance remained about the same. Some developed new limitations. Many felt their age was catching up with them. Gentle anti-aging workout group gained an average of 15% muscle mass, improved functional capacity by 40%, reduced fall risk by 60%. But here's what the researchers discovered that brings such hope. It wasn't about working harder. It was about working more thoughtfully. The anti-aging group was actually doing less exercise, but targeting specific systems in a precise, gentle way. This isn't just any workout. This is your scientifically proven, gentle blueprint for supporting your body's natural ability to stay strong. The study identified 5 specific exercises that, when combined thoughtfully, create what researchers call gentle anti-aging support. Each exercise gently targets a specific area where your body can improve. You'll do them in a comfortable sequence that maximizes benefits. This is the difference between just exercising and truly supporting your body's potential. The 5 gentle anti-aging supports. 1. Muscle fiber support, gently encouraging stronger fibers. 2. Bone density care, supporting bone health safely. 3. Balance enhancement, improving coordination naturally. 4. Energy support, boosting vitality gently. 5. Natural wellness, supporting your body's own healing. Exercise. 1. The wall push-up. Let's begin with what the study called the gentle strength builder, wall push-ups that specifically support muscle fiber health. Here's what makes these special. They're designed to gently encourage your muscle fibers to remember their strength, supporting the powerful fibers you've always had. Within 2 weeks, participants noticed they could open heavy doors more easily and get up from bed feeling more comfortable. The gentle strength technique. Stand arm's length from a wall, about 2 to 3 feet. Go at your own pace. Place palms flat against wall at shoulder height. Lean in slowly for 3 seconds. Pause for 2 seconds. Push out for 3 seconds. This timing gently supports your natural strength. Regular push-ups focus on endurance. These gently support power, the natural strength that's still within you. If you feel comfortable, try 3 of these gentle wall push-ups with the timing I described. Then come back and share. Did you feel your muscles working in a pleasant way? Type good if it felt nice and supportive, gentle if it felt just right, or questions if you'd like me to explain anything further. Exercise 2. The chair squat next is what researchers called the independent supporter. These aren't regular squats, but something much more comfortable. Here's the wonderful part. The study found that while deep squats can be challenging for people over 60, this specific gentle variation supports bone density beautifully. Participants saw 12% improvement in just 3 months. The gentle independence protocol. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Take your time. Lower down until you gently touch the chair seat. Pause for 3 seconds at the bottom. This is where the gentle bone support happens. Stand up using your leg muscles at your own pace. The pause creates optimal, gentle bone support without any strain. Study participants gently reversed osteoporosis and regained comfortable leg strength. Remember when getting up from chairs felt effortless? This gently brings that comfort back. Exercise 3. The calf raised now for what the study called the circulation supporter. This version does something quite wonderful. Many people do calf raises, but this version doesn't just strengthen your calves. It gently turns them into a supportive second heart that helps circulation throughout your entire body. The gentle circulation method. Stand behind a chair for comfortable support. Rise up on toes as high as feels good. Hold for 5 seconds while gently engaging your calves. Lower slowly and comfortably for 4 seconds. Why it helps. The gentle hold supports your natural circulation. Participants experienced wonderful improvements in energy, reduced swelling, and more comfortable circulation within days. A gentle question about circulation. Are your feet usually comfortable temperature-wise? Type cool if they tend to be cool, varies if it changes, or comfortable if they're usually just right. This gentle exercise often brings lovely improvements for circulation. Exercise 4. The glute bridge. Here's what the study called the comfort restore, and it does something that can help you feel years younger. Here's what's so supportive. While many focus on core strength, this exercise gently addresses the real issue. Your glute muscles may have become less active, and that's often why backs feel uncomfortable. The gentle comfort protocol. Lie comfortably on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Before lifting, gently engage your glutes. Lift hips up comfortably and hold for 8 seconds. This gentle wake-up supports your natural glute strength. Study participants found relief from chronic back discomfort and improved their posture so naturally that people commented they looked more confident. Exercise 5. The standing march. Finally, what researchers called the balance supporter. This exercise gently supports your natural coordination. Here's the wonderful part. This isn't just about balance. It's about gently supporting your brain's natural communication with your muscles, just like when you were younger. The gentle balance technique. Stand behind a chair for comfortable support. Gently lift one knee toward chest. Hold for 5 seconds while focusing gently on the standing leg. This gentle practice supports natural brain muscle connections. Participants reduced fall risk by 60% and regain comfortable, confident movement. Many people expect anti-aging workouts to be complicated and tiring. The wonderful reality? This takes just 15 comfortable minutes, 3 times per week. Your gentle, science-backed schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, complete gentle protocol, 15 minutes. Tuesday, Thursday, light, enjoyable movement, walking, gentle stretching. Weekend, pleasant activities, gardening, dancing, playing with grandkids. The key isn't doing more. It's doing the right things in the right sequence, with gentle, consistent care. Here's a gentle question. Which day this week feels right for you to begin? Type Monday if you like fresh starts, today if you're feeling ready, weekend if you'd like more time to prepare, or thinking if you're still considering. I'll respond with gentle encouragement for wherever you are. Here's what the 1,200 study participants experienced at their own pace. Week 1, gentle improvements in energy and confidence. Week 2, comfortable strength gains in daily activities. Week 4, pleasant improvements in balance and posture. Week 8, wonderful increases in muscle mass and bone density. Week 12, participants tested with the physical capacity of people 15 to 20 years younger. The group doing traditional gentle exercises. Here's what many don't realize about why this works when other approaches may not. Traditional senior exercises often focus on being overly cautious rather than gently strengthening, using very light resistance that may not encourage growth, avoiding balance challenges your body can handle, treating your body as if it's fragile rather than capable. This gentle anti-aging protocol respectfully challenges your body to grow stronger, uses gentle progressive support safely, specifically supports natural aging processes, honors your body's wisdom and capability. One of the kindest things we can do is give our bodies the gentle challenge they need to stay strong and capable. Each day we wait, our bodies naturally experience gradual muscle changes that don't have to be permanent, bone density shifts that can be gently reversed, balance changes that can be comfortably improved, energy levels that can be naturally supported. But if you begin this gentle protocol today, in 12 weeks you could experience the comfortable muscle strength of someone years younger, bone density that gently reverses concerning changes, balance and confidence that brings peace of mind, energy levels that help you feel wonderfully vital. The choice is yours. Accept natural changes or gently support your body's amazing potential. You came here looking for the best anti-aging workout for over 60. Science has confirmed this gentle approach works beautifully. Your gentle next steps. 1. Today, try each exercise once to see how they feel. 2. This week, complete 3 gentle 15-minute sessions. 3. This month, notice your body's positive changes. 4. In 12 weeks, feel comfortably younger. The study participants who experienced the best results were those who began gently and stayed lovingly consistent with themselves. I'd like to offer you a promise based on this research. If you follow this exact gentle protocol for 12 weeks, treating yourself with kindness and patience, you will likely feel stronger, more energetic, and more confident than you have in years. This isn't just hope. This is what happened to 1,200 people who started exactly where you are now. I'd love to end with this gentle question. What would feeling 20 years younger allow you to do that brings you joy? Type travel if you'd travel more. Play if you'd play with grandkids. Dance if you'd dance again. Sports if you'd return to activities you love. Or everything if it would gently transform your whole life. Your answer might inspire someone else to begin their own gentle journey. If this video brings you hope, please like it and subscribe. And if you know someone who might benefit from this gentle approach, please share it with them. You might be giving them the gift of years of comfortable vitality. Remember, science has gently confirmed it. Your body is beautifully capable of getting stronger, not weaker. The only question is, will you give yourself this loving gift?